In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link tables in Airtable. If you've ever wanted your data to talk to each other, like connecting projects to clients or tasks to team members, linking tables is how you do it. This creates relationships between records inside the same base, so you can avoid duplicate data and keep everything consistent. Start by heading to Airtable in your browser and signing into your account. Once you're in, open the base that contains the tables you want to connect. A base is like a single workspace for a related set of tables. Think of it like a project file with multiple sheets. Next, choose the table where you want the link to live. For example, if you want each project to reference a client, you'd start in the Projects table. Decide where the link should go. You can add a new field, which is usually best for clarity, or edit an existing field if you're repurposing it. Give the field a clear, descriptive name so teammates instantly understand what it links to. When you set up the field, change its type to Link to another record. This is the special field type that creates relationships. You'll be prompted to select which table you want to link to. Pick the one that holds the records you want to reference, such as clients. Remember, links only work between tables within the same base. Before saving, configure the linking options to fit your workflow. You can allow linking to multiple records if a single item should connect to more than one record. For example, a task that belongs to several projects. You can also limit selection to a specific view to keep choices clean and on policy, or leave it open if you need flexibility. Airtable can automatically create a reciprocal field on the other table, so the relationship is visible from both sides, which is helpful for navigation. Click Create Field or Save to confirm your settings. Now click any cell in your new linked field. You'll see a picker where you can search and select existing records from the target table. If the right record doesn't exist yet, type a name and create it on the fly. Airtable will add that new record to the linked table and connect it immediately. If you enabled multiple links, you can add more than one selection to the same cell. That's it. You've linked your tables, making your base smarter and more consistent. As a next step, consider using lookups or rollups to pull in useful details from the linked records and keep your field names clear so your team always knows what's connected.